In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lines on TradingView, tips and tricks. Let's start from the very beginning. Open your browser and search for TradingView. In the results, click the official link titled TradingView, Track All Markets. That takes you to the main site. From there, click on Products to access the charting workspace. You'll land on a chart where we'll use the built-in drawing tools to add lines that make price action easier to understand. On the left-hand side of the chart, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Find the Lines tool. Its icon looks like a simple diagonal segment and click it. We'll begin with the trend line, select it, then move your cursor onto the chart. Click once to set your starting point, ideally at a clear swing high or swing low. Drag to your intended endpoint and click again to place it. You can fine-tune by grabbing the anchor points at either end and adjusting. If you want cleaner angles, hold shift while dragging to snap the line to neat increments. A quick tip here, aim to connect at least 2 to 3 touches for a trend line you can trust. More touches generally mean a stronger level that traders respect. Next, let's add a horizontal line. Select it from the same lines menu, then click once at the price level you care about. That single click pins a fixed price level that automatically stretches across the entire chart. This is perfect for marking support and resistance, previous highs or lows, or key round numbers. You can click and drag the line up or down to refine the level, and double-click it to open settings for color, thickness, and labels. If you need to keep the chart tidy, right-click the line to lock it in place or to remove it. Finally, use the parallel channel for structured trends. Choose parallel channel, draw your main trend line along the swing points of the move, then drag to set the channel's width. You'll now have 2 parallel boundaries that help you visualize the rhythm of pullbacks and potential breakouts. If price keeps bouncing between the channel lines, you can plan entries near the lower boundary in an uptrend or near the upper boundary in a downtrend, always watching for a decisive break that could signal a change in behavior. As with other tools, you can adjust anchors, change styling, and extend the lines to project future areas of interest. That's it. With trend lines, horizontal lines, and parallel channels, you've got a simple, reliable toolkit to read market structure with clarity. Practice on past charts, keep your lines clean and intentional, and let the price action do the talking.